Assalamu alaikum students, and welcome back to your English class, and I am your teacher Miss Maria. And students, today we are going to do grammar book lesson number 1, that is word formation. So for that, take out your grammar books and your pencils and your erasers. First of all, we will look at what are the words. So a group of letters make word. So in this lesson we are going to learn about word formation. We can make new words by adding prefixes, suffixes, or making compound words. So what are the prefixes, what are the suffixes, and what are the compound words? Okay, now they have given us the definition of a prefix. A prefix is a word part that is added before a word to make a new word. From its word pre, you can memorize that this is the thing which we are going to add before anything, ठीक है, before any kind of word, ठीक है. So these are the prefixes, यानी कि जिन्हें हम किसी word से पहले यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है. Look at the examples. This is the prefix which is im. Then the main word is possible. Impossible. What is the prefix in it? Im is the prefix and possible is the main word. Then unlikely. Un is the prefix and likely is the main word. Then we have a word, new word, which is unlikely. Then disadvantage. Prefix, what is the prefix in it? Dis is the prefix and advantage is the main word. Disadvantage. Then we have suffix. What are the suffixes or suffix? A suffix is a word part that is added at the end of a word to make a new word. It is a very simple thing to remember that, to memorize that, okay, when we are talking about prefixes and suffixes. So prefixes, from its name we are going to remember that this is the thing which is adding before. अगर ये पहले ऐड हो रहा है तो ये मतलब कि बाद में ऐड हो रहा है, ठीक है. तो ये वाले जो सुफिक्स हैं ये वर्ड के बाद में ऐड होते हैं. वी ऐड देम आफ्टर द वर्ड, एंड इन प्रीफिक्स वी ऐड द लेटर्स और द वर्ड्स बिफोर एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्ड, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लुक एट दीज एग्जाम्पल्स. वर्ड एंड सुफिक्स. वैल्यू, दिस इज द मेन word, and able is the suffix. Value, able. Kindness, kingdom, ठीक है. These are the main words and these are the suffixes, and then they form a new word. Valuable, kindness, and kingdom. Then we have compound words. A compound word is formed by combining two words together to make a new word. Okay students, in prefixes and suffixes, the word which we are adding before or after, they are not the words, ठीक है, they are the letters. They are not conveying us any kind of meaning. What is the meaning of this, what is the meaning of an, ठीक है. So they are not giving us a complete meaning, ठीक है, in prefixes and in suffixes. But in compound words we combine two words together to form a new word, but those words have their own meanings. But when we combine them, ठीक है, they will known as a compound word and they will have a new meaning. For example, we have had means, if we are going to talk about separately, ठीक है, अगर हम इन्हें अलग अलग इनके बारे में हेड और मास्टर के बारे में अलग अलग बात करें, सो हेड मीन्स आवर हेड, ठीक है, या हमारा सर, और मास्टर आवर टीचर. इट कैन बी, या किसी भी चीज़ में मास्टर होना, अहल होना, ठीक है, उस चीज़ पर उसकी पावर होना, ग्रिप होना. Then when we are going to add these two words, head and master, it will form a new word that will be head master. Then we have back, ache. Back ache will backache, ठीक है. Anyone, it will form anyone, ठीक है. So these were the compound words, prefixes, and the suffixes. What are the prefixes? Prefixes are the words which we add before, or these are the letters which we add before any kind of word. Then we have a suffix. Suffix means that we add after the word or at the end of any kind of word to make a new word. Then compound words. What are the compound words? A compound words are those words which we join together or make together, combine to get two words together to make a new word. ठीक है. Now come to the example exercise of this. Okay students, now open your page number 2. This is exercise A. Make new words by matching words in column A with the right words from column B. They have given you few words in column A and column B. So what you have to do, you have to pick a suitable word, ठीक है, for column A, and you have to combine them and join them and form a new word from these words, ठीक है, from column A and column B. Hand. So which word is very suitable for hand? This bag. So we will write hand bag, ठीक है, and write it over in this blank, ठीक है. Then we have butter, which is a suitable word for that? Fly. Butterfly, fly. So we will add butterfly, ठीक है, and write it in this blank. Then in finger, which is the second suitable word from column B, fingerprints, ठीक है. Then stomach, find the suitable word for it. Stomach ache. Then gold fish, ठीक है. Then post, which one is a suitable word from column B is man. Post man. And what you have to do, you have to write all the new words in this in these blanks, ठीक है. Then book, shelf, impossible, fairness, flower pot, bed time, eyebrow, news paper, aircraft, disagree. Now write all these new words in these blanks. Now move to the next page, page number 3. Now we are going to do exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the new words that you have made on the previous page. What are the new words? These were the new words on the previous page, on page number 2. Now we are going to put them in these blanks. Number 1, I saw a dash sitting on the flower. I saw a butterfly sitting on a flower. Number 2, the king was known for his generosity and dash. Which word is suitable from all these words? Fairness. Fairness is suitable for this. Okay, then Annie has such nice long dash. They make her eyes look big. From this picture you can also think that which is the suitable word for these blanks. So look in this. So we have eyebrow. Eyebrow, a suitable word for this blank, so we will put eyebrow in it. Okay, then number 4, I will have to dash with you on the issue. I believe it is no true. I will have to. Handbag is not suitable. Butterfly is also not suitable. All these words are not suitable. Disagree is the suitable word for this blank, so we will write disagree in this blank. Now number 5, look, there are beautiful dash swimming in the pond. From this picture you can also find the word. Now find the word from this page, that is goldfish. Write goldfish in this blank. Now move to the next page, page number 4. Blank number 6. Please put this book in the dash after you read it. So find the suitable word from the previous page. What is the suitable word from all these? Number 7, bookshelf is the suitable word. Okay, ji, write bookshelf in it. Then number 7, John has a dash since last night. He must see a doctor. So we are going to find the word for new word for that blank, and that is number 4 one stomach ache. ठीक है. Then number 8, the new dash flies very fast. Find the new word for it. Aircraft. ठीक है. Number 14, aircraft is more suitable for this blank. ठीक है. Now number 9, I like the dash that Susan is carrying. It looks fashionable. They also have a picture for our help. Now find the new word for it, that is handbag. ठीक है. Write the handbag in the blank. We will write handbag in this blank. Number 10, he is so lazy. It's dash to make him work at all. It's impossible to make him work at all. Number 11, dad likes to read the dash while having breakfast. So from the picture you can imagine, or you can find the word that it will be newspaper. Number 12, I am writing for the dash to bring grandma's letter. So the correct one is the postman. ठीक है. Number 13, you can plant the seed in this flower pot. You can see the flower pot. ठीक है. Number 14, the police took the thief to the station to take his fingerprints. Number 15, come on, it's your bedtime, children. Off you go to sleep. Now we are going to do exercise C. Study the words in the following table and note the word forms of the words. We have noun, adjective, verb, infinitive and adverb. They have given you few words and their forms of adjective, verb and adverb. The first one is possibility. When we are going to talk this possibility in adjective, we will write possible or impossible for this possibility. Then in verb infinitive, we will not use impossible or any other type of this possibility. Then in adverb, we will use it as possibly or impossibly. Then enjoyment, enjoyable, enjoy, enjoyably. And ly. In adverbs, we are those words which are ended by ly. All words ended by ly in adverb. ठीक है. This is the ये आप कह सकते हैं इसे कि ये इसकी एक निशानी होती है. ठीक है कि एडवर्ब में हर लफ्ज़ के आखिर में ly आता है. ठीक है. एडवर्ब को तो आप इस तरह से पहचान सकते हैं. ठीक है. देन केयर, केयरिंग, केयरफुल. And verb is care, and then adverb is carefully. Quickness, in noun we will write it as quickness, then in adjective we will use as quick, and then verb quicken and quickly, adverb. Quietness, quiet, quieten, quietly. Completion, completeness, complete, incomplete, complete, completely. Noise, noisy. In verb we are not we never use this word. ठीक है. And then in adverb noisily. Sleep, sleepiness, sleeping, sleepy. And in verb we will use it as sleep and then sleepily. Then change, changing, then change. And in verb we are not using these words as adverb. ठीक है. Then continuation, continuous, continue, continuously. So in this page you have to note that what are the nouns, what are the adjectives, what are the verb infinitive and what are the adverb. Now on the next page we have an exercise. ठीक है. So they have write the conversation between two people in this page. ठीक है. Now they have used few of the words in the bracket. ठीक है. They have used it wrong. What we have to do, we have to check that they are using over here as adjective, as noun, as verb infinitive or as word adverb. So जिस भी कॉन्टेक्स्ट पे ये बात हो रही होगी, नाउन होगा, एडजेक्टिव, वर्ब, एडवर्ब होगा. सो जो भी उसमें आपका वे आ रहा होगा, फॉर्म आ रही होगी, तो हमें उसको सेंटेंस के हिसाब से उसी तरह से चेंज करना होगा. ठीक है, वी हैव टू चेंज दीज वर्ड्स एज द सेंटेंस रिक्वेस्ट अस. ठीक है, so now choose the correct form of the words in the brackets to complete the conversation below. It's Jane and Sally meet at the park. So Jane: hello Sally, what are you doing here so early in the morning? Sally: I came for a walk. It's very dash here if you come early. It gets rather dash later when more people come in. So we use it as quiet. ठीक है, because it is using as adjective, so we will use it as quiet and it as a noisy. ठीक है, it is also using as the adjective. So what are the adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words. They help us to describe nouns. ठीक है, so this quiet and this noisy is describing the place or the park. ठीक है. Then Jane: true, but Sally, you didn't like walking very much before, did you? What made you dash your mind? ठीक है, they have given us changing. Is changing is suitable for this? They have we are not going to use this changing as adjective because changing is an adjective. We are going to use it as noun, so it will be as change. CHANGE, change. Then Sally: well, I used to feel tired and couldn't sleep at night, so the doctor said I should take a dash walk in the park every morning. They have used it as quickness, so it is not suitable for the blank because quickness is noun, so we are not going to use it as a noun, so we will use quick, which is the adjective and it is describing the noun. ठीक है. Then Jane: I can sleep very well, but I still like to walk in the park in the morning every now and then. It's nice you are here too. Will you dash to walk here even after you are able to sleep well? Which word they have given us? Continuation. So what is continuation? Continuation is a noun, so we are not going to use it as a noun because this is a verb, so we are going to use it as continue. Then Sally: yes, I think so. I have started to dash walking here and I don't think I will stop now. My doctor also told me that walking briskly was a dash exercise. So enjoyment is a noun, so we are not going to use it as a noun because it is a the blank which are going to write over here is using as the verb, so we will use its form enjoy in this blank. ठीक है, ENJOY, enjoy. Then number 7, completeness. So what is completeness? It is also using as a noun, but we are not going to use it as a noun because it is also a verb, so we will use it complete. COMPLETE, complete. Then Jane: oh good, let's walk fast then. We need to walk dash because there are joggers who jog quite fast here. Sally: fine, let's walk and talk. Here this blank is using as the adverb, so we will use carefully in it because care is the verb and this is not a verb. ठीक है, because adverb defines verb. ठीक है. So this was the lesson for you, and today we have completed over lesson number 1 of grammar book, and I want to ask you good luck for your test, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay at your homes, stay safe. Allah Hafiz students.